It's Rose from the Yarn Shop at Alma Park. We got a huge order today in from Berroco. 3 big boxes, and there was a little box that I already opened because I couldn't wait. So let's see what's in them. Several different new yarn lines for me and for my store. And I'm kind of excited. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh! This is a sample knit in cocoa. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Isn't that awesome? Okay, what do we have? Okay, so I've got some new colors in of Pima 100, which is such a super soft cotton. I brought in some fall winter colors because most of the colors I had in were spring. So I got some of those. And a brand new yarn line to us is Ultra Alpaca Chunky. Okay, this is 50% alpaca and 50% wool. Super soft. It's a chunky, knit on, I think, size 10. I have them in all the naturals. And, like, look at some of these. A marl. And beautiful gray, and some fawn. Okay, that's what's in that box. You know, I just want to steal this. I don't know if I should even put it in the store. What do you think? Should I just steal it? Okay. I can't. Where's my next? Okay. Next box. Oh, more alpaca chunky. And then I got it in like 20 colors. Some purples and greens, and this is called potting soil brown. Look at all the colors. Oh, look at this beautiful red. So lots of chunky. Lots of chunky. You know, guys, I don't know where I'm going to put this in the store because I really don't have room, but we'll have to find room. Oh! Oh, look at this. This is cocoa. Look at how beautiful. So if you guys love knitting with really super bulky yarn like Malabrigo Rasta, which I do have, you're going to love cocoa. It is super soft, super colorful, and I got it in like all the colors. Oh, and there's new colors of Wizard too. So you can make the Metropolis sweater that we did as a knit-along last year. Look at this. Look at those turquoise. New colors of Wizard. Oh, and look, like grays. So not just multicolors. They did some, what is it called? Melange gradient stuff. So, okay, we have lots and lots of yarn to price and put up. If you're looking for anything, feel free to come in this weekend. And if I don't have it up on the shelf, you're welcome to look through boxes and, you know, grab it out. I should have it all up by tomorrow morning, though. Maybe. I don't know. If my daughter helps me. All right, guys. Bye for now. Talk to you later.